Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's MORGANTIMM, and I'm the blogger behind MostlyMorgan.com, and today's video is extra exciting because we are doing a little sneak peek unboxing of the Sparkle Hustle Grow Box. Now this is a subscription box for female entrepreneurs of all kinds, whether you're, a shop owner, a maker, a blogger, an influencer, all of the above. These boxes are just full of goodies to help support you on your entrepreneurial journey. So if you're an entrepreneur, let me know in the comments exactly what it is you do. I want to cheer you on. And if you're interested in signing up for Sparkle Hustle Grow Box, I've actually partnered with them and you can get $10 off your first box by using code MORGANTIMM. And you can also just copy and paste it from the bottom, the down bar. I'll have it listed there as well. But without any further ado, let's open her up. So here is the little card that's just celebrating that it's here, and this month's theme is all about money management, which is definitely important. I think especially if you're kind of like a solopreneur, you're doing it on your own, kind of making it up as you go along. A lot of people, myself included, struggle with the money management aspect of being an online business owner, so that's definitely exciting for my first box to be all about money management. We have got this coupon from Shoeboxed that gives you 30 days free and an additional 25% off your first year with Shoeboxed. And it looks like Shoebox is just like an accounting software where you can handle all of your receipts and digitize and categorize everything, which will make tax time easier. It says maximize your small business tax deductions, which we all want to maximize those, right? Next, there is a coupon for $15 off your $30 or more order from Erin Condren. If you guys follow me, you know I love my Erin Condren planner. I swear by it. I've worked with Erin Condren a number of times. In fact, I just love them so much. I think everything they create is so perfect and detail oriented, so this will definitely be put to good use. And then there is also this little card that gives you access to a free online training. And I actually work for an ed tech company where people can create and sell online courses, so this resonates so well with me. I'm the hugest advocate for online trainings, online courses, online education that you're gonna meet. I'm so excited. This one is called Be Your Own CFO, Understanding Taxes. It says, learn what types of deductions you can take as a business owner and how to submit tax payments throughout the year so you don't end up with a huge tax bill at tax time. That's definitely something that's important to me. I actually had that heart-wrenching moment where I owed thousands of dollars at tax time because I was just kind of, like I said, making it up as I go along. I think I was 19. That was the first year I made any real money with my online business. And I really didn't think ahead to tax time, and I still have so much to learn, so I cannot wait to start this course. We have got this little notepad that says Hustle and Heart with a beautiful gold and white striped pen. Notepads are the best. I feel like every drawer, every purse, everywhere in my apartment I've got notepads, notebooks, stationery, pens, just so I can jot all of my ideas down as they come, because yeah, I am kind of scatterbrained if I don't write things down, so I love having just places to write all of my crazy ideas. Okay, next, there are these stickers that say taxes due, so you can put them in your planner or on your calendar just so you know when to pay your quarterly taxes, so that's very cool. So we've got a note card and zip pouch. These zip pouches are so great for just keeping track of your receipts if you don't digitize them, just maybe, like I said, somewhere to keep your notes. And it looks like this little note card in here is one of the dotted grid ones instead of the lined. I love those. I feel like it's hard to organize your thoughts sometimes into lines. You need flowcharts and arrows, and sometimes lined paper isn't as conducive to that. Okay, and now here we have got an Erin Condren budget book. I was actually looking into getting one of these. These are just incredible. I'm gonna put an overlay so you can see what's on the inside, but it gives you a month at a glance where you can track your income, your expenses, just a bunch of cool things. You can track all of your spending, which is so valuable, especially for business owners. It's so easy to bleed money because everyone is telling you oh, you need this software, or this service is such a necessity to be a small business owner, and you sign up for all these things. And without actually seeing them all written down, it's hard to kind of judge which ones are really worth it, in my opinion. I'm very visual in that way, so that might just be a me problem, but I do like having all my expenses written down. And now there is a little calculator, which of course isn't essential if you're working on budgeting and money management, unless you are one of those people who have a calculator in their heads, which I'm so jealous of. Math has always been my weakest suit as far as all of the academic subjects go. But yeah, this calculator is so cute and sleek too. I feel like this is almost like an Instagrammable type thing. It looks so cute in a flat lay. Alright, and the final thing in the box is this book called Work Your Wealth. It's by Mary Beth Storhowen, and I'm sorry Mary Beth if I said that wrong. But it looks like it says 9 steps to making smarter choices with your money. Okay, so, and I'm just gonna read the back because that's like always what I do when I decide if I want to read something. This book makes taking control of your finances fun and easy to do. It provides an organized plan of attack that covers everything from setting goals, budgeting, paying down debt, investing, planning for retirement, using credit wisely, and more. You'll also find a list of detailed, actionable money moves at the end of each chapter to help you build the foundation you need to create your own financial plan. I love this. I am only 22, but recently I've been thinking a lot about the future and just like finances and how to kind of set myself up for success so money's not something I'm gonna have to stress about, you know, 20 years down the road. And I feel like this book is going to help further that research I've been doing and help me set up the foundation, so I'm definitely excited to dive into this. I'll actually probably start reading before bed tonight. So that is everything in the Sparkle Hustle Grow Box. I know it's so exciting, everything's so perfect. And if you guys want to get your own box, again, you can use code MORGANTIMM and get $10 off because we all like to save money here, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these sneak peek unboxing type videos, let me know. I like filming them. It's kind of like show and tell. It brings me back to like 2nd grade. So yeah, just let me know in the comments and let me know what you want to see in the future and I will put that on my list. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me if you want to see more, and as always, I'll be back soon with another video. Bye guys!